Well, flu season is just around the corner, but this year it comes in the middle of a pandemic. Public health officials are worried cases of the flu and coronavirus could overwhelm our healthcare system and are urging people to be proactive and get their flu shot. For more on this, we go live to Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino, who is live right now from West Hartford. Mike.
And Aaron, in a normal flu season, a little over half of Connecticut adults get their flu shots, according to the CDC. But public health officials want to see that number come up this year, warning about what they call a twin-demic, the possibility of both a bad flu season and a rise in coronavirus cases, sending people to the hospital. Now, there is some sign for optimism concerning the flu as we look around at what happened in the southern hemisphere, where they just completed their flu season. It was a mild flu season there, and experts think one of those reasons that it was a mild flu season is perhaps because of some of the things that we're doing because of the coronavirus, wearing a mask, maintaining social distance, that those are things that also help to mitigate against the spread of the flu. Also, things remain in a good place here in Connecticut. While we do see a slight rise in coronavirus cases, we're way down from where we were in the spring. Experts say that we have plenty of capacity in our hospitals right now, but of course the concern is going into the fall. What can happen when the flu comes, the coronavirus perhaps sees an uptake, and we suddenly get back to where we were in March and April, and hospitals are at capacity. That's what officials are trying to avoid here. Take a listen.
Those two things collide in the wrong way and people aren't careful in general with all the things we've been talking about, we could have a huge rise in number of cases of both.
We honestly don't know very much at all what happens to a person if they get infected with both viruses.
Now, we also did see hospitals make moves to sort of create some temporary capacity back in March and April to deal with the potential of overflow of cases. I talked to one professor today who says that's certainly something we could see again this year if the need arises to create more space. Reporting live from West Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.